Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review AGARO egg boiler. Model name is Grant. For more details I will tag this product in the video description and video so that you can check the price and other thing. So here it is how it looks like. It comes with approximately 8 eggs you can simultaneously boil. Also 4 poachers at once also you can do it. There is a multi-purpose function is there. And this is automatic operation and stainless steel body is being used. And it comes with 2 years warranty. Now let's unbox and see how it looks like. Then we will go in detail about what are the functions and everything. The packing looks really nice, so let me cut it. Okay, so once you open it, you can see that there is a warranty card is given inside. So let me open the tray. So you can see items like the product manual is there, so you can see how to use it and everything by reading this thing. So it is very useful to read it. So the next thing will be the warranty card mentioned here, of course. And here is one tray for putting the eggs. You can see 4 and 4, 8 eggs you can put on this thing. So let's keep it aside. And then you can see a cable. I think it's like 1 meter or something, 1 or 2 meter. You can check in the link. So let's take it out. This is a second tray. The packing is really nice, and also the measuring cup you can see here. So let me open it and show how it looks like. Here is the measuring cup, and there is a needle provided on the bottom of this particular tray to puncture the eggs to have a proper seamless cooking. So this is how it looks like. And let's see, there is some marking on there. There is a measuring markings are there. So for soft, you want to get the eggs, 35 ml is okay. And if you need medium thick hardness, 55 ml, and hard will be 85 ml. And steamed, for steaming functions, you can use like this one, 120 ml or something. It is already mentioned here, it is very easy. So inside, this is for the poaching of the eggs. You can pour, after baking the eggs, you can pour on this thing and make it. The material looks really nice. And here is the cover. So you have to close the cover. So the steam will be escaping through these 2 holes. The quality feels really nice. So let's keep it aside. Then we can take the main part. So you can see here is the steel body. You can see here, this is the on and off button. And it automatically shut off. You don't need to worry. This is the cable given with that. The ampere rating and everything is given. It is useful for our Indian voltage and everything. So let me take it out and show that here is the place you have to put the water. Okay, I will show a quick demo. In the video I will provide the demo so you can see that how I am doing the cooking. So first thing, you have to keep this tray like this. So the tray has to come like this so that everything, after putting the water, you have to keep the tray like this. Then you have to put the eggs and you can close it. And if you want to steam it, you can put this stuff or poach it. You can put the items in this thing and then you have to close it and switch it on. Then it will be easily doing the process. So if you like this review and if you want to check out the price and other details, in the video description I will provide the link. So you can check it out what is the price for this particular product. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.